In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GoDaddy domain in Vercel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your website or migrating an existing one, linking your domain correctly is an essential step to make your site accessible with a custom domain name. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Vercel project's dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Settings page where you'll find the Domains section. This is where you can manage all the domains linked to your project. Now, look for the option to add a new domain. It's usually marked as Add or Add Domain. When you click on it, you'll need to input your GoDaddy domain. For instance, you might enter something like example.com. After you've added your domain, Vercel will generate a set of DNS records, either A records or CNAME records, which are essential for the setup process. Make sure to take note of these details, as you'll need them shortly. The next step is to switch over to your GoDaddy account. If you're already logged in, go straight to the DNS management settings for your domain. This is where you'll configure the DNS records provided by Vercel. If your domain is an Apex domain, such as example.com, you'll need to add an A record. Simply use the IP address that Vercel has given you. On the other hand, if you're setting up a subdomain like www.example.com, then a CNAME record is what you need to add. This should point to your unique Vercel domain, which might resemble your project.vercel.app. Keep in mind, if your domain was previously associated with another service, you might encounter old records that could interfere with the new setup. Don't hesitate to remove or update those to ensure a smooth transition and avoid any conflicts. Once you've made these changes in GoDaddy, head back to Vercel's Domains section. There, you should see an option to refresh the page. Click on Refresh to prompt Vercel to verify the updated DNS configuration. This step is crucial, as it tells Vercel to check whether the DNS records have propagated correctly across the internet. The propagation might take a few minutes, but once Vercel recognizes the changes, your domain should be successfully connected to your project. And there you have it. Your GoDaddy domain is now linked to your Vercel project. This setup allows anyone to access your site using your personalized domain name, which is a key part of creating a professional online presence. Feel free to test out your new domain by typing it into a web browser to ensure everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.